I don't know everything, but I do know this. Ordinary people like you and me are making their first dollars online, and it's way easier than you think. Click the link below because the video explains it all. I don't know everything, but I've come across something that's flipping lives. Ordinary people, students, 9-to-5ers, even single moms, are making their first dollars online, and not alone. They're getting real-time guidance from people who are absolutely crushing it. If you've ever felt stuck, like no matter how hard you try, you just can't figure out how people are making money online, I was there too. Until I found this. No fluff, no hype, just real people helping each other grow and succeed. You get coaching, assistance, and step-by-step guidance. It's built for beginners. You don't need fancy tech skills, an audience, or thousands of dollars to start. Best part? You get access to all of this through a free trial, and everything is explained in the video in the description. Click the link below, check out the free trial, and see for yourself. This is your chance to start something real, not tomorrow, now. Don't scroll to the next video. You might just scroll past the opportunity that changes your life.